I'm Jonathan Eklund, and we're here at the Oak Motocross Park. We're having round one of the Central PA Pit Bike Series. We're having a 4-round race series, and this is round one. We get kids of all ages. You know, get 4-year-olds up here riding. We get people in their 60s that come up and ride up here. It doesn't matter how old or young you are, you can still come up here and have a great time. You're doing great. Keep going. You're doing awesome.
I like watching Finley race. And my favorite part is everything.
I really have a passion for the sport, and I just wanted to do something that I love to do and give back.
You got it!
That's number one.
Our next pit bike race is June 12th, and we hope to see everybody there.